We are pleased to show you the 2016 Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: automatic transmission, power mirrors, daytime running lights, remote power door locks, compact spare tire, rear wiper, Bluetooth, Sirius satellite radio, cruise control, trip computer. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.